today's video, I want to do a quick review on My Lead Gen Secret. And for those that don't know, I've been in this program now for about 5 months and I've been doing really well with it. What I want to do is give you a quick overview of how it works and then also show you proof of how much I made using the system. This is a great way to promote your business opportunity, and if you don't have one, you can promote the My Lead Gen Secret. You get payouts, residual, and also one-time payouts, bonuses with this program. And we're going to go through all of that and discuss the information about My Lead Gen. So I was able to send out an email today. You can send out one email every 24 hours and you will get 100 leads per day once you sign up as a member. And once you bring one person in, you'll automatically get 200 leads every single day. And these leads start to add up quickly. So if I clicked here, select all, I now have over 22,000 leads that I can send my information to about my opportunity, and that's extremely powerful. So another thing that I love about this is that you can actually save the emails. And for people who are good with copy and paste, loading information, loading emails, that's all you need to do. So what I can do is take one of these emails that I have previously used, hit the load button, and it will load the information into the subject line and also into the body of the email. And another thing that I love about this is that you will receive the emails, high converting emails that you can use to promote your business opportunity or My Lead Gen Secret. When you become a member, you'll see all of the information, including my bonuses, which is in the description box below. Another thing, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I give you tips and tricks on how to earn money from home. I've been doing this since 2016, earning a full-time income. I'm sitting here in my office and I have some of the best and easiest strategies that you can use to earn a full-time income. So back to My Lead Gen Secret. What we're going to do is click here under affiliates, and here you can see all of the payouts you receive day by day. So by just clicking on that affiliate tab and clicking on commissions, it's going to tell you how many people signed up with you for the day and how much you was paid for those people. So this program goes 5 levels deep. You don't just make money off of your efforts, you also make money off of your team efforts. And that's extremely powerful because, that's leverage in itself. Whenever you have 5 direct signups within a 7-day period, you will receive a $100 bonus. And those are also unlimited. So if you have 25 people join within 7 days, you have now made yourself $500. So we're going to just scroll down. This is the payments I had for the 13th. Here's the payments for the 12th and the 11th and so forth. And I can see all of the payments that I've had and what they've equaled up to down here below. So I have so far 4,616 in total earned, and I have $946 that I can actually request. We are paid by Bitcoin, direct mail, or PayPal. Those are your options. Once you have $30 in your account, you can request a payment. So again, we have a Facebook group. It has over 4,000 members in it. They have a lot of proof that the system works. People are getting signups daily using this system and sending out their information to these leads. These leads are good for pretty much any home-based business opportunity that's under $150. So this is basically it. There are some other tabs I'll go through another day. They do have some master email swipes, but I do have email swipes for my entire team. I show you how to use them, what to expect when you're using the system, how to get plugged into the Facebook group, and then also 2 different sales pages that we use to promote this opportunity. I want to say thank you for viewing this video. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm looking to inspire others to start a home-based business, and I'll see you again tomorrow.